Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing very well. So let's go ahead and continue our journey for finishing Movies and Hunter app. So as we can see here, when I click in the play trailer, it bring me to the YouTube. So I don't want this behavior. Instead, I want to show like lovely model here. So let's go ahead and do just that. So I have the HTML, so I'm not going to write all the HTML for the model because this course is not about the CSS. So I will create a new folder here called models and go inside, and I will call this media model. Alright, and call the view and view like this, and I will copy and paste the model. So this is the model, okay, and so let's go ahead and use it. We will import it like this. So where is it? So we call it media model, aren't we? So it's here and here we go. So let's use it, register, and let's use it here. All right, cool. All right, so we have the model here. So let's do some functionality and bring the YouTube inside it. So what we have to do is to come here, maybe here. So we have the container here, okay, and this will be the, let me show, okay, and let's call this maybe value, okay. So this model will expect value, okay, to show true or false. So what we need here is props. So let's define the props value require, it's require meet, and here we go. So we have it here now. So let's control this by the parent, okay. So we have it here, and let's make view model here, and let's define maybe data here. So let's define here, let's close this, okay. So model, let's call it open, okay, and let's call it false, okay, and let's grab this here. So this will be as an input, okay. So a view model, as you remember, anything the view model do two things: monitor the change and will update this, and the opposite is it true. So two birds by one stone. All right, cool. As we can see, of course, we have the model disappear. If I make it true, the open will open. All right, cool. So we have it here now. So the question here, how we can pass the YouTube to it. All right, from parent to child. I want to review one thing. View model, if you remember, we have input. So this like an input. If this model open a change, will affect this. So like bind from and to, okay. And let's go ahead now and pass the YouTube. So I will call it media because we need the image as well. Later we will use the same URL or the same model, sorry. So media, let's call it URL, believes that much. All right, so what is this will be? So let's see what we have here. Where is the YouTube video? Where is it? So let's make search very quickly, play trailer, and here we go. We have this lovely YouTube video. All right, cool. So let's make it like this. Come on. All right, cool. So this will have the YouTube. Very cool. You know what we have to do? We come here and I will tell him like this, require please, yes. All right, cool. So as we have it here, so let's go ahead now and show it in this frame, okay. So this will be src and this will be media URL like so. All right, so this the frame will be. So let's test this. So when I click play trailer, I want to show it. So come to the here. So we don't need the archive here, but we need a button, and we need to prevent default as well. Okay, and so this will be model open. Let's see what we have called here. So let's try this. Okay, and see what we have. All right, cool. So it show but doesn't show the YouTube, so we'll show. All right, cool, but it doesn't show the YouTube video. So let's see what we got wrong. So we have, let's see, here we have the media URL, we have the YouTube here. Okay, and let's see if we grab it. All right, so this one, let's review it. All right, so the YouTube is showing, but this is not responsive. So I will show you one trick. All right, we will add a padding for this model to be responsive. So I will make it like style and maybe like this. All right, cool. So we have here our video here and the model. So let's do the close. So this is trick to be responsive. Okay, like this, blah blah blah. As we can see here, very cool. Okay, so let's, all right, so let's make the function for the close button. So we have it here. So let's make this click, and let's make this value dot false. So see if this works. All right, cool. And all right, very cool. It doesn't. Yeah, it's very good. So we have this is not responsible, so we have to bring it back to the parent. Okay, using emit as we learned before, and let's pass it the value. Okay, so and maybe we'll make it. Okay, so let's define a new method. Okay, here, and let's go here and this, and let's go to close, and let's grab this here. Okay, and see if this, so we passed this, okay, to the parent, which is this the input. Okay, and the value will be this. Okay, so the false will be here. So let's try if this work. Okay, very cool. So it's working perfect. All right, cool. So we have our YouTube here, blah blah blah. So let's do the image as well. One thing I want to review, guys, this model open, we pass the input. All right, and this all is input. What is the value? This the value. Come back here in the view model. Yes, the model change the value. Very cool. We'll make it false. And this, where is it? Where is it here? Yeah. So this is the one. All right. So hope this makes sense. Which is the props here. All right. Cool. And so let's do the image. So when I click the image, I want to show the same dialog. Okay. All right, so let's do the image as well. So let's see what we have. So we have in the play trailer here, we make it like so model. So we have to call this in a method. Okay, so let's call this open YouTube. Okay, model. Okay, and let's grab this here. Let's create, where is the methods here, and let's do what we have, model open true. Come on. Okay, so this will give us the same result. Okay, so this now very cool. So let's define something else. So let's come back here, and so let's make another called is video. Okay, let's make it false. Okay, and let's grab this where yes, here. Okay, so this here indeed is video. I will tell you why we use this in a moment. And let's make open image model. Okay, is a video false, and model open, yes, open the model. All right, we need something else as well. We need the media as well. So media, where is it? What I called? Yes, where is it? Where is it? Yeah, media URL, and this will be YouTube video, isn't it? All right, so this not going to work like this. So this would be like media URL. Okay, and let's define this media URL. A little bit annoying, but we have to do it like this because we want to show the model one for I don't want to duplicate the code. So this will be media URL, and this will be YouTube like this, which hopefully from computed property. Okay, so we need this outside. Okay, we need this outside. All right, so YouTube is not defined. All right, cool. So when he click the YouTube model here in the play trailer, he will show this lovely. You tell him yes, the media URL is the video model open, and hopefully, all right, cool. So it's working. So how about the image now? So let's see the image. The image, as we can see, the image here. We need to do some work here, so we have to go to the image. Where is it, the image? So we have the cast. We don't need the cast to do the cast, honestly. Okay, because the cast is clear. Let's do the images. Image here, and we have, okay, cool. So let's do the image. What should we do here? When he click the image, okay, click, we need to call emit. Okay, let's call this on image click. Okay, and yes, this should do the trick here. On image click, and here when on image click, called show or image model, or show image model, and let's define this here, and let's see if we got some message when he clicked there. So here, not here, here. Okay, so we don't have. Alright, so it doesn't work because we need to do, where is it? So on image click here. So let's define a method open model. Okay, and let's pass the image. Okay, and or let's call this, yeah. Okay, so let's define here new method called image, and let's see if we can go to the parent. Okay, so on image click, and let's pass the image. So let's pass the URL, and we have the URL, which the original. Okay, so let's make it like this. Const image bat or full bat equal to nothing if the image dot file bat there is image full bat equal to, we have this. Okay, so this is the from the back end image. Let's grab this. Why we have this? Okay, cool. And let's make else here, and I have the placeholder as usual. Okay, so image full bat, and this the placeholder. Cool. And let's return this to the parent. What we have is constant. All right, we don't need a constant. Cool. So let's go ahead and see what we have to do. So let's go to the parent. Where is the parent? So let's grab this here. So this we'll call this. So let's see. All right, hopefully this will work. So it doesn't work, so let's see if we can refresh the page and see the console. And we don't have any error in the console. So let's see what we have. So on image click, show image model, which is here, but here we need image full bat. Okay, and okay, defined but not used. Okay, so let's go ahead here. Yeah, I forget something here. This should be view on. Okay, and like this. Yeah, so this should do the trick, I believe. Yes, so it's working. So we have the image here, so let's pass the image to the dialog now, and I will copy and paste. So we have this video, so let's grab this, and this will be the media, false, open. All right, cool. So this still will show the video, okay, because we didn't make any logic. Okay, yeah, it should the image, sorry, but I will tell you why this because the padding that we have created. So if we come here, okay, and show this if view if is video. Okay, let's see. All right, cool. It doesn't show, but we need to the image here. Image will be bindable, yes, I believe. SRC. So what we have here will be the image, which is the media URL. Okay, view if false. See what we have. All right, cool. It showed the image. There's no problem at all. It showed the image, but as we can see the padding. So this caused because this. So we need to make it this bind. Okay, and show this if only is video. Okay, if is video, show this bad boy, otherwise don't show it. Okay, so let's okay, so this like this, see what we have. All right, cool. So it's working, blah 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 blah. All right, here, so we have just we break this. So let's see what we have. Okay, so the image, the YouTube doesn't work. We break it. So let's see what we have. So we have our condition here. Okay, so this is not defined, so let's define it like this. Require. Okay, and this should be. So let's see, not working. So let's go to the images. Image, sorry, movies, and let's see. Yeah, let's pass it here. So this will be this. yes, so it's working. So YouTube and the images. Alright, so thank you guys for your watching. Before I end this video, so let's see. Okay, so this if is video, make the trick of the responsive for the video, not don't bind anything. If it's image, it's not video, show the image, otherwise show the blah blah blah, the YouTube. So that's it guys, you have it. You can do this here, but the image is very clear with the name, so we don't need it here. So we use image and the YouTube in one model. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Thank you, bye.